Hi everyone, I'm Andrew Choi, CEO and co-founder of Rooftop Republic. Rooftop Republic is a business with purpose. Our passionate team has been pioneering urban farming services to make our cities more livable. We build inclusive gardens for all ages to experience growing our own food, to learn about responsible consumption, and also to experience the greatness of physical and mental well-being. We also trained retirees, people of difference, and also city dwellers like you and me to be involved in this great movement. We are thrilled to be part of BAM Festival 2019. We'll be building a pop-up garden at the site and give you the first-hand experience of growing your food right at the center of the business district. And I will be also sharing about our exciting projects, innovative projects around the cities. More importantly and more excitingly, how you could be involved together with us. Come to the BAM Festival 2019 and see you there.